Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I need something for a headache.
Okay, do you want tablets or liquid?
Tablets, please. The strongest you have.
Here's ibuprofen, it's very effective.
Great. How many can I take?
2 tablets every 4 to 6 hours, not more than 6 in a day.
Got it. Do you have cough syrup too?
Yes, is it for dry cough or with mucus?
Dry cough, I think.
Then this one will help. Take 10 milliliters at night.
Thank you. Anything for a sore throat?
These lozenges work well. They taste like honey.
Perfect. Do I need a prescription for these?
No, they're all over the counter.
Good. How much altogether?
$18.50, cash or card.
Card, please. Will these make me sleepy?
Just the cough syrup might. Take it at bedtime.
Okay. Can I drink alcohol with these?
Better not with the ibuprofen.
I understand. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
I'll try. Have a nice day.
You two, next please. Excuse me, officer, I need help.
Of course, ma'am. What's wrong?
I lost my wallet.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did you lose it?
This morning on the bus.
Do you remember the bus number?
No, I don't, but it was the 8:30 bus.
Okay. Can you describe your wallet?
It's small, black, and has my ID inside.
Was there any money in it?
Yes, about $50 and my credit card.
Don't worry. We'll try to find it.
Thank you. What should I do now?
First, call your bank to cancel the card.
Good idea. Will you call me if you find it?
Yes. Can I have your phone number?
It's 5551234.
Got it. We'll do our best.
I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Try not to worry.
Morning. Lovely day, isn't it?
Sure is. You new in town?
Yes, just moved here last week.
Welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's quiet. Where's the grocery store?
Main Street, next to the post office.
Is there a good coffee shop?
Joe's Cafe. Best pancakes, too.
Sounds nice. What else is there to do?
Movie theater on Fridays. Park by the river.
How about restaurants?
Pete's Diner has great burgers.
Is everything within walking distance?
Pretty much. Or take the Freetown bus.
That's convenient. Where does it stop?
Blue signs every 4 blocks.
Are people here friendly?
Very. Just wave and say hi.
What time do shops close?
Mostly by 6, except Thursdays.
Thanks, you've been so helpful.
Anytime. See you around town.
Bye now.
Take care.
Oh no.
What's wrong?
I can't open my door.
Did you lose your key?
No, it's in my bag, but the lock won't turn.
Maybe it's the wrong key.
Oh no, this is my office key.
So where's your house key?
I think it's inside the house.
Oh dear. Did you lock yourself out?
Yes, what can I do?
Do you have a spare key?
My neighbor has one.
Great, let's go ask them.
But she's not home now.
Call your landlord maybe?
Good idea. Can I use your phone?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. You're so helpful.
No problem, we'll fix this. Hi, Anna.
Oh, hi, Ben.
What's wrong? You look sad.
I missed the bus.
Oh no, the 8 o'clock bus?
Yes, that one.
Me too. I ran, but it was too late.
Now I'm late for my class.
This is not good.
When is the next bus?
It says in 15 minutes.
Ugh, that's a long wait.
I know, and it's cold today.
Yes, it is. I don't have a big jacket.
Here you can stand closer to me.
Thank you, Ben. That's kind.
No problem. So you have a class today?
Yes, an English class.
Cool. Is it difficult?
Sometimes, but it's fun.
Oh, look, I see a bus coming.
Is it our bus, the number 12?
Let me see. Yes, it is.
Great, finally.
Come on, let's go.